kids.
Hey kids, welcome to Evan's Storm.
Yeah.
Hey Evan, what do we have today for the kids? Oh, it's the Adventure Force deep sea fishing boat.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, you have some sharks. What kind of shark is this?
Yeah.
Do you know? If you know what it is, comment and tell us what kind of shark this is.
Or comment and tell what this shark is.
Yeah, what kind of shark is that, kids?
Hey, someone's driving.
Oh, there's nobody driving.
I guess it's just the looking boat.
Oh, we lost the boat. Oh, the shark's still on it though. Hey, Evan.
What?
Shark is going to get you. Hey, let's show the kids our video. Are you ready? All right, kids. Here's our video. Hope you like it. This is a story of two friends going deep sea fishing. The plan is to get some sun, have fun, and catch some dinner. But as you will see, things don't always go as planned. Hey Carter, maybe we should drive on a road. Oh, this is a 4x4 pickup truck. We don't need any roads. This is gonna be fun. Oh yeah, we're gonna catch some big fish. You just wait and see. Let's launch the boat by backing the trailer into the water. The tires are sinking in the mud. Just give it some more gas, Carter. Easy does it. Come on back, not too fast. Carter, wait!
Uh-oh.
What's wrong, Evan? There's no one on the boat. What are we gonna do, Evan? Carter, I'm going to swim to get the boat. Be careful, Evan. There's sharks in these waters. Yes, I made it. Carter, I saved the boat. Good job, Evan. All right, I'm gonna go park the truck. You know what they say, a bad day fishing is better than a good day at work. Hey, Evan, check out this front flip I've been working on. That was epic, Carter. Carter, pull the anchor up. Aye, Captain. Okay, I think this is a good spot. First one to catch a fish wins. Uh-oh, kids. There's something lurking below the surface of the water. Do you know what it is? I think I've got a bite. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Evan, I've got a keeper. It's a monster. Wait, Evan, help! It's pulling me into the water.
Evan, I'm on the ocean floor. Help! It's dragging me. Call the Coast Guard.
Carter, are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. I ain't afraid of no sharks.
He's lucky I didn't turn him into tuna salad.
Carter, that was totally epic. But let's fish on top of the boat from now on.
Okay, little buddy.
Hey, Carter, I think I'm getting a bite.
Set your hook, Evan. It's a shark! It's a blue mako shark! And it's pulling me into the water!
Carter, hurry! Get in the boat!
It's still on the hook. Reel him in, Evan.
He's too heavy! The boat is sinking! Carter, nice catch. That was epic.
I'm gonna take me a short nap.
Okay.
Shark! Hey kids, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, or just go ahead and watch one of our other videos.